Governments are releasing UFO files, disclosure is finally happening, and if you're a starseed, then you have known about aliens for a long time. But what does this mean for you specifically as a starseed? What is your place in a post-disclosure era? Because the truth is, you as a starseed, an alien soul, you came here as a galactic volunteer. So you're not just here to live your own life, but also to help people. And the first thing that this means for you is to be a calm presence. Because remember, most people their entire lives were told by media, by school, by parents, that aliens do not exist. Their ego, their mind has had the same mind pattern their whole life. So to have that shift at age 40, age 50, when the brain is already set, it can be really scary. The ego doesn't like uncertainty. So we're going to see a lot of fear, a lot of confusion. So if you can hold your peace, hold your calm, then that is contagious. And if you feel fear, remember that you knew this. You knew what you were entering into this lifetime. We know and plan this pre-birth. Okay, so nothing is a shock. Nothing is a coincidence. You knew this. Number 2 is that you are here to expand consciousness. So like we were talking about before, people are now questioning their reality. What is real, what is not? Most humans just blindly trust the governments, what they're being told by the media, and now they're realizing, hang on, the governments and the media have been lying since their birth. So now they're having to think for themselves, and that is scary. So help others navigate it without judgment, because you've probably already been there if you're a starseed. You've probably already questioned everything and learned about the corrupt governments, the elite, what's happening behind the scenes. So be there for your friends, be there for your family in a non-judgmental way, and maybe even post about it online. Share your wisdom with the world. And if you do want to explore content creation, stepping into your light worker purpose, sharing your gifts with the world, and make passive income, then definitely book a free business clarity call, link in the description. You have too much wisdom, Starseed, to not share it with the world. The next thing you need to know is that you need to remember and integrate. Starseeds will be getting more and more activated. So you might notice psychic gifts coming out of nowhere, vivid dreams, activations, downloads. Really make sure to be grounded. Literally, spring is coming. Bring out your toes into the grass, ground. It is so good for your body, especially as a starseed. And protect your space. I don't care if you're using sage, incense, singing bowls, and have a shower at the end of each day and say the intention that you are cleansing and getting rid of what no longer serves you. Elizabeth April is a great resource if you want to learn more about starseeds and aliens, and she recently channeled the Galactic Federation, and they were saying to choose love over fear now. That is the most important thing that you need to realize this next few years. And you have a head start because you've known these things before, so you are really in a good position to choose love. While for other people, it might take them a bit longer before they can get there. Let me know if you had any aha moments, and if you want to start a starseed business, a business where you don't need a boss, you get passive income sharing your gifts with the world, then watch my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, so you can learn how to actually monetize your content. Love you so much, Starseed, and see you in the next video.